Triumph Tiger 800 A2, I believe. Like the triple sound, oh my goodness. And the clutch is really smooth, really freaking smooth. So this is a Triumph Tiger 800. I mean, I've ridden the CB500X, but other than that, this is my first like real adventure bike. Of course, it's A2 restricted, but yeah, should be fun. This dash though, this dash is amazing. Now we're in third, second. I don't like the brake on this. It's very far in. I'm actually getting hot in my legs because of the engine. So it's a big engine, 800 I believe, but it's very comfortable. You know, my right leg is very warm at this time. So this M button, is that mode? Oh yeah, it is. And then I can select with my blinker or nope. Okay, just select that. Yeah, I'll do that. So yeah, Triumph 800 Tiger. I don't know what to say other than it's a beautiful day. Because when you don't have anything to talk about, you talk about the weather. So it is a beautiful day. It is too warm to wear a leather jacket while sitting still. And yeah, that is really all I have to say about that. This is the most boring route we've ridden. Okay, so it's not fast by any means. I'm guessing this bike is quite heavy, so all the torque is not here that I wanted. Yeah, no, it's really nice. The torque is mainly in the first gears. The tank is working, I guess. It's kind of hard, to be honest. The kind of hard edges around here. I don't know, are you supposed to have your legs that far down? I don't know, it's probably for bigger people than me. Got a lot of torque until you hit like 100 or 80. I don't know what I'm gonna say about this bike. I probably didn't say a lot because I don't know, why didn't I say a lot?